Ladies and gents, welcome to the Dotted Nose page. You can also check out the Dotted Nose channel on YouTube and subscribe to the channel. My name is KG, all the way from Bloem. I just thought that I should plug you guys. This is another aspect of what I do in terms of technology. If you haven't checked out my page on YouTube, I go about fixing laptops, and I've started a new journey, which is quite interesting. It's with regards to fixing phones, and yeah, it's been quite a nice journey for me. So this is where we prevent identity theft and embrace technology by upgrading our computerized skills. I haven't posted for almost a year now, due to my schedule, responsibilities, as you're adulting, things tend to be a bit hectic. But anyway, let me plug you guys. If you're around Bloem, let me show you first where you can go and buy yourself an LCD screen or parts of the phone. Because, hey, let me tell you something, when you go to the vendors, for instance, ProSale, wherever you want to fix your phone, it's quite expensive. But right here, this is where these guys tend to go and buy these screens cheaper, and they overcharge you for the labor. For me, I only charge 100 Rand just to install the LCD screen. And when I run a special, it's always 70 bucks. But anyway, let me not talk too much. Let's get into it. So first thing first, let me show you where the place is. If you know Bophelo House in Bloemfontein, when you're coming from Central Park, let's say you just got into town via taxi. Normally, I get a taxi will take a right turn next to Jensen, and then you will drop yourself off. Now, going up as if you're going to Naval Hill, you can see while I'm driving with the car, the pillow house is on the right side. When you get to the robots, before you reach like the pillow house on your right side, you will see like you cross the road first, and go a bit slow. I'm going a bit slow so that you guys can see. This is the actual place, BB Electronics, as you can see right there. It's just opposite Bophelo House, just before you reach the Shell garage over there. And yeah, this is where I normally buy or stock up some of the LCD screens for the cell phone devices. So yeah, they're quite cheap. Sometimes it runs from 180, depending on the type of phone. And obviously, when it's the latest phone, it will be quite expensive. They're expensive. It's almost like 500 bucks. But with phones from, let's say, 2023 going down, roughly costs about 350 downwards. So when you buy the LCD screen and you find someone to fit it for you, you actually need to have, like, how can I call it? You actually need to tell the person who's going to fix it that you need not remove the plastic from the top, as well as what is this called? Glue the screen. Because if it doesn't work, and you take it back, they're not going to take it. You need to buy another one. So make sure you don't tamper with the LCD screen when you do that, and other equipment as well. The owner there is Nelson. It's a guy called Nelson. He's very kind. So yeah, that's the place. Don't say I didn't plug you, right? But let's get into the actual video where I show you guys what I do or how I change the thing. So this cell phone right here is a P30 lite Huawei. So this is a new LCD screen, as you can see right there. comes in a plastic, and this is the old LCD screen and the phone itself. So normally I use this tool to actually open up the back for starters, just to access the back, as you can see right there. And then there's a strap. There's a strap right there. Let me just do this so that you guys can see. So there's a strapping right there. So that strap is actually for the fingerprint. Normally when you are touching the fingerprint, it gives like a signal to the board to say, hey, the fingerprint is correct, right? Let's continue. So there I'm unscrewing like some of the aspects of the phone, taking out the screws, and I'm putting it on a magnet so that they cannot get lost. So my magnet is right here, as you can see. Yeah, it's right here, like in between this thing. It's a very small magnet, but anyway, as you can see right there, I've also detached the battery, and now I'm going straight to the board. And this is where we get to the board, just right after unscrewing some of the screws. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing quite a lot of this, and teaching you guys some of the aspects of what I do, like in terms of technology, if you want to do it yourself, DIY. So there's the other parts that I've placed right there. This is the old LCD screen that I'm going to take out of the cell phone. Because the phone fell a couple of or number of times, so to say, so it was quite easy to actually detach them. But when it's the first time, it gets a bit tricky to actually disassemble all of the stuff. So this strap that I just took out from the board is the strap for the LCD screen, as you can see right at the back. So that's the old screen. We're done with the old screen. We put it aside. Now we're going to put in the new screen. So if you have any questions, you can tap into the comment section, and I'll be able to let you know what is what according to your questions. So I'm clearing the table, as you can see right there, and putting the LCD screen like just underneath the plastic, and there's a hole on the hard cover of the cell phone itself. That's where the LCD strap goes in and goes directly to the board. We can say, for instance, as a motherboard of the phone. So first of all, we need to test before we actually before we actually paste and put everything together, because I told you guys, if you do actually paste and remove the plastics and whatnot, then that's where you're gonna pay if the screen is faulty. Remember, they are tested, but some of them can be at fault. Like as you can see right there, it's charging, but we need it doesn't mean when it's lighting it's working. We need to tap into the screen to actually check if it's working, right? Yeah, so I'm switching on the phone right there just to see if it actually the touch screen actually works. All right, so yeah guys, this channel is all about preventing identity theft and upgrading our computer skills, because a lot is happening. Cyber is going to attack. Cyber is going to do justice in the nearest future. It's creeping in slowly now, but with time, it's going to be a bit hectic. But yeah, what can we say? We need to teach ourselves. I believe in DIY, doing things yourself. Yeah, when I was a young boy, I used to detach, like disassemble my toys, and my dad would get frustrated. But now that I'm older, I see why I used to do that. Now, as you can see on the phone right there, the touch screen is working, meaning the screen is fine, and the client hasn't responded to say, hey, my screen is actually messed up. Um, it's good. I give you a 1 month warranty just to check if your things are working properly. I'm taking off the glue, the old glue, and it was a bit sticky. It looked like a glue gun, like not glue gun, the glue from the gun, like the one where you put in the stick and it warms up, and then you excuse me, then you like put in or you paste rather the glue from that gun. It doesn't work. And I'll show you the glue in a moment. This is the glue TG7000. It's the glue that is used to attach the LCD screen to the frame of the phone. All right. Now, as you can see right there, I'm just gonna take off the dry glue from the top point of the tube, just so that I can access it. But it has a pin. Let me just do this. I think this one is a new one. Let me just show you guys the old one. So this is the one that I'm talking about. This is the pin, as you can see right there. There's a smaller yana pin right there. It helps keep it fresh inside. So normally I just take off this, so that the old one, so that I can access the new one and stop pasting. But as you can see right there, beginning to apply it on the frame of the phone, just so that everything can be intact when I paste it. I love doing this. It's not something that I just do just for extra cash. I love learning about tech stuff. So yeah, like I was saying, as you can see right there, I'm putting it in the hole of the frame so that the strap, I'm referring to the strap. The strap can easily access like the board, like it can go directly to the board. So yeah, like I was saying, I used to disassemble my toys, and now I get why I did that. I love exploring. I believe that broken pieces can be mended regardless of how it was connected. It's something that has to happen. Like it's something that's how we learn. We learn by making mistakes. So as you can see right there, the strapping is intact. Now I'm connecting the battery. Then once the battery is connected, we can test again. But now, this is the second test actually, but not necessary, because the first test confirmed that everything is working. Then I'm putting everything together now. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll go more into detail next time when I do another client's phone. I'll record and show you guys like step by step as to what actually is transpiring. So the frame there is broken because it fell a couple of times, like I was saying. But yeah, that's how you fix a phone. That's the plug that I wanted to plug you guys with, so that you can know where to buy it and stop wasting so much money on fixing your LCD screen for about 700 Rand, whilst you can do it for about 350 or 200 per se. You understand? So the phone is cool and it can go back to its client. I hope you enjoy this video. And to get more of these videos and where I'll be explaining in depth as to how everything is working. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow this page, and you'll learn more. I don't know everything, but I'll make sure that I give you the best explanations as possible. This is KG signing out. Cheers.